respectable teachers and my fellow friends. I am Ranvir Singh Chauhan, student of class 30. Today I am going to show and tell an experiment on breaking up oil and water, mixing the impossible. Sometimes when we try to mix two different chemicals, they refuse to mix. We call things that don't mix immiscible. Oil and water are immiscible ingredients. After adding, the third substance can help to blend or emulsify them. Ingredients I have here are cooking oil, water, washing up liquid, and a clean teaspoon. First, we'll fill half of the test tube with water. And place it in its holder. Now add a teaspoon of cooking oil using. Now add a teaspoon of cooking oil to this test tube using funnel. Now the question here are which is on the top, the oil or water. Have the oil and water mixed together? You can see the oil is on the top. Now lock the opening of the test tube and we carefully shake again. You can see these such two different chemicals, they don't mix even after shaking. Now add a few drops of washing up liquid. And we carefully shake again. You can see the washing up liquid helps to break the oil box and this whole mixture has become cloudy. Here washing up liquid has acted a role of a third substance which helped to mix these two ingredients. This process can also help to reduce the damage to the environment. We all know that sometimes disaster of an oil spill at the sea, it has an awful effect on the marine life around. Seabirds, for example, can be covered in oil after a spill which can lead to death. There are often cleanup operations which can help to reduce this damage with the same process. Washing up liquid is not only used for washing up dishes as it is also used to wash the oil of the feathers of affected birds. I hope this experiment added value and helped you to learn something new. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.